Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be filming a holiday look for you with some of my favorite skincare and makeup products. I will list all of the products that I used in the description for the video. I will link as many as I can for what is available for purchase, so that way if you love it, you can try it out yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by prepping my skin with this Josie Maran. This is the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. This is unscented, and I would say a little of it definitely goes a long way. I like to use it because it just brings so much moisture into my skin, especially in this winter weather that is just so drying all the time. So we're just going to apply this, and then I'll just let it set into my skin before I continue. Next up, I am going to use one of my favorite skincare brands, Kylie Skin. So I have the vitamin C serum and the hyaluronic acid serum. We're just going to apply 1 drop each and blend it in. And one more to prep my skin. We're going to use the Grande Pout by Grande Cosmetics. This is the Plumping Lip Mask in Berry Mojito. So we're going to apply this. It has a little applicator in here. That my skin is prepped, my lips are prepped, we are going to begin applying some makeup to keep going with this holiday glam. Here we go. I'm going to do the eyes first, so I have 2 products here. I have this universal brow pencil from Billion Dollar Brows, and then I have this little palette here from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Holy Crop palette. I'm going to use this one shade in here. It's called Lingerie, and we're going to apply it all over my lids for just something very simple. One of my all-time favorite products is this Purlisse BB cream. So this has SPF 30 in it. This is the shade Light Medium that I'm going to apply, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now, I stopped halfway through with this just because I wanted you to see the difference. So this side has the Purlisse BB cream on it, and this side doesn't. So you can see that definitely this side has much more of an even skin tone happening. Over here you can still see that I have some redness and definitely some under eye circles happening over there. So let's continue. Next up, we're going to go in with one of my favorite palettes. I love using this Wander Beauty Trip for 2 palette. It has some great shades in here. There's 1 blush and 1 bronzer, and I just love the colors of them. So right here we have the colors, and I'm gonna apply the bronzer with this double-ended brush that I have. We're just gonna apply it. I like to do it in the shape of like a 3 on my face. So now that the bronzer is in there, I'm going to move in with some blush. I wanted to add just a little shimmer, so this is a palette by Morphe and Manny. So in here, I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to use the shade over in the corner here called Nova. Last but not least, I'm going to use this mascara. I use it so much the name of it came off. This is Big Ego mascara by Tarte Beauty. So I'm just going to apply some of this. And just for some lip color, I wanted to go in. I have this Jones Road lip gloss. So this is called Cool Gloss, and this is the shade Pink Gold Shimmer. I love this because, first of all, this brand is clean beauty. And this just adds like a really pretty shimmer and a nice color without overdoing it. All right, so this is the final look. Again, I will put all of the products in the description. I will link as many as I can for you if you're interested in purchasing them. I just wanted to go for something super simple, but ready to party for the holidays. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Hit the follow button or subscribe on YouTube for more.